So one of the most common question I got is, hey Nick, what product should I promote? What product I should promote? How can I find them? And what you are promoting, right? And I was always like, well, to be honest, I don't promote product most of the time. So Lee was like, hey, so how do you make money with affiliate marketing? I was like, well, I promote funnels. So what do I mean by that? I remember when I first started, right? I was a real estate agency. And because I was totally new, I didn't know what to do. I was so frustrated, to be honest. So I remember by the time I tried everything, right? I give away flyers, I call prospects, and I do all the things. I do open houses. And even though I work really hard, guess what? I make no sale in the first 3 months at my real estate agency job, right? So at the first I think okay, because I was a beginner, that's because why I have to learn more. So I was thinking about maybe just because I was new. But at the third month of my real estate job, there's one new guy. He was new. He's even newer than me, right? And he had no previous experience about selling as well. But after he entered the company and after a few weeks, he's starting to crush in it. He's starting to make a lot of sales every month. And so at the first, I think, okay, it's just beginner's luck, right? He was luck. Yeah, just not big deal. But guess what? After a few months, he was making a lot of sales. He actually was making at least one sale every single month, right? If you know real estate, it's really hard to close a sale. That's why if you are doing one sale per month, you are basically crushing it. You are really well. So I was like, wait a minute, this guy was totally new. How can you make so many sales? I got to figure out why. So I reached out to him. I was like, hey, dude, congratulations. And you are doing really well. Can you share with me? How do you do that? So he was like, oh, do you know what? I'm not actually good about selling. And still by now, I don't know how to sell. But I know how to generate leads. I know how to find prospects. So all I do is I find someone to partner with. I find someone who is good about selling to close for me. So all I do was I bring people to him and he closed for me. And that's the aha moment for me. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, one of the most common mistakes people are making is they try to be the one who sell. But maybe they are not good about selling as well, right? So they say, okay, you want to buy this, you want to buy that, but because they don't know how to sell, they didn't do well from affiliate marketing, right? So what you can do is you want to find a superstar, a super closer, a good salesperson, and you bring people to them, and that them help you close the deal. So what do I mean by that? So instead of promoting products, right? I don't promote product. I promote funnels. A funnel is basically means a selling process, right? So there are 3 most common funnels you can promote. The first one is webinar. So people are using webinar to close high ticket items, right? And you can find a lot of webinar funnel on ClickBank or on many platforms. So you can promote their webinar. Or if they have a free gift, they have a free giveaway, and they are going to sell something at the back end, and you'll earn commission from the giveaway, then you can promote the giveaway page, and that them sell for you. Also, if they have a low ticket item, maybe it's $1, maybe it's $7, you can promote that as well. Because if they upsell anything after, or if they call your prospect and close for you, guess what? Sometimes you still make a sale. So you want to earn money from promoting funnels, not products. So you may say, well, but it doesn't apply to my ClickBank or Amazon affiliate program. Yeah, guess what? This one is is actually not really public, right? It's not something you can say, okay, I want to promote their funnel, right? So you want to find the company that allow you to promote funnels. So you can check a link below this video. There will be some list of the funnels or the company that allow you to promote funnels, and you can just choose one and promote their funnels. So that's it for today. Promote funnels, not products. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.